So hello friends, and welcome once again to this tutorial of SlideScope. This tutorial is a part of our data analysis series, and we are trying to understand different types of graphs. And in this part we are discussing what is a box plot. And histogram plot is used to see the distribution of data, means the frequency of occurrence of any particular data within a given range. So in case of box plot also we see how the data is distributed within the given range, but with a different approach. So first, to understand box plot we have to understand what is a quartile. So quartiles are the three cut points that will divide a data set into four equal sized groups. So that means take the data set and cut it into four equal parts and you will get quartiles. So that means 25% of data represent first quartile, the second 25% of data represents the second quartile, then there is third quartile, and then there is fourth quartile. So combining those 25% four quartiles, we have the 100% data in a data set. Again, in case of a box plot, a single variable is considered and we see how that single variable or single column is distributed in the data set. The first quartile is defined as the middle number between the smallest number and the median of the data set. The second quartile is the median of the data. The third quartile is the middle value between the median and the highest value of the data set. So if these definitions are confusing to you, then let's have a look at this particular figure here. So this is basic representation of a box plot, right? So we have our data, we have some column, and in that column there are values, right? Like values of profit of any particular company, values of scores that are secured by various students. So suppose there is a class and in that class there are more than 200 students, and they all have some numbers associated with them, and those numbers are distributed in the data set. So the minimum number that some candidate has got will represent this minimum point. The maximum number that someone gets is max here. So suppose someone got 97 out of 100 and that is the maximum number, and someone got 33 out of 100. So 33 will be minimum and 97 will be maximum. So that is the meaning of this minimum and maximum. Then there is this median. So first you have to understand minimum and maximum. Then there is this median. Median is basically the average or the median value. So what is the average number of marks that everyone has got? So what you will do is sum the individual marks and then divide it with the total number of students. So you will get the median. This lower quartile here is considered as the median of minimum and median. So as median is average of minimum and maximum, so this lower quartile is the median of minimum and median. So that's why it is lying in between. Then the third quartile is the midpoint or the median of median and max. This median itself is the second quartile. That's why we have not written the second quartile here. So now you can see this data has been divided into four parts. The first part here, this here is known as the box. That means the interquartile range. right? So the lower quartile is there, then upper quartile is there, and we have a interquartile range, and that interquartile range, that the point between the minimum value and the first quartile is known as whisker, and then the point between upper quartile or third quartile and maximum value is also known as a whisker. So there are 2 whiskers and 3 quartiles. So now this data set has 4 parts. This is first part, this is second part, this here is third part, and this here is fourth part. So a box plot or box and whisker plot is a method for graphically representing group of numerical data through their quartiles. So a group of numerical data can be represented through their quartiles, and it is used in descriptive statistics or descriptive analysis. So we found this example of on internet, so I'm trying to make you understand the meaning of box plot with the help of this example. So let's say some experiment was conducted or some survey was conducted, and in that survey the applicants, the qualified applicants are these people, right? So this is the range of qualified applicants, and this is age of applicants in years. So the minimum age of qualified applicant is 8 years, and the maximum age of qualified applicant is 50. So based on their skills or based on their qualities, we selected n number of people from a group of people, and those n number of people have minimum age of 8 and maximum age of 50. So the definition of box plot, the standard definition from the standard definition of box plot, we can see that the minimum value here is 8, the maximum value here is 50, the first quartile is at 14, median is at 21, the third quartile is at 33, and again maximum is at 50. So now we have values of minimum, the minimum age, maximum age, and that's why we have a range of age. So we have people within a range of 42, right? So this is the range of ages what we have here. Now in a standard case, you can see that quartiles have equal values. So length of this, length of this, length of this, and length of this. So there are 4 equal values, but in this case you can see that the values are not equal, right? The value of this whisker is smaller than the value of this whisker. So in this standard case, whiskers have equal values. So what it means is we have maximum age of 50, but the average age of applicants is 21, and that's why this median is shifted, right? So in normal case, so in the data is starting from 8, and between 8 and 50 we have 42 values. So if we divide 42 by 2, then we have 21. So we have to add 21 years to 8, and that is 29. So the normal average value or the normal median would have fallen somewhere here, but based on the data that we have, based on the experiment that we conducted, the average age, the actual average age of people is 21, and that's why the first quartile is at 14. That means out of those people who are between the minimum age and the average age, the median of those people is 14. So average of those people is 14, and again out of those people who are between the average age and maximum age, the average age of those people is 33, right? So although we have a very high value here, 50, but this is how this data is distributed. So third quartile value is at 33, median value is at 21, first quartile value is at 14, minimum value is at 8, maximum value is at 50, and the second whisker is between 33 and 50 years, first whisker is between 8 and 14 years. So the difference of age between first whisker is only 6 years, but it is 17 years for the second whisker. So now you can see how data is distributed in our experiment or in our data set, and that is the meaning of box plot. So this is the meaning of box plot, and that is method for graphically representing group of numerical data through their quartiles. And the first quartile is defined as the middle number between smallest number and the median, right? Then the second quartile is the median of the data, it is itself the median. Third quartile is the middle value between the median and the highest value of the data set. So now you will understand the meaning of quartiles, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.